I'm in the Florida Keys
to meet Chef Paul Menta. This guy means business.
I've done fine dining and done the thing with the stars, and I've also done things down here where I do $5. $5 a lot harder to do, because that's what everybody wants.
Paul Menta is a true Keys culinary connoisseur. In his 30 years living in the Keys, he has served as a chef at several of the finest establishments in the Conch Republic. Co-founded 3 local eateries and opened up a sustainable fish market and a rum distillery.
I love that bohemian influence coming across the Keys.
These locals use every ingredient to make dishes that feel like home. It's as if every dish is flavored with the love and the pride they have for the Conch Republic.
We do our lobster down here, these warm water lobsters.
Yes.
Split the middle.
Yes.
I stuff it.
You said don't get fancy, you've gone fancy.
That's not fancy, that's Key West.
What, stuffing a lobster tail?
This is just a technique.